Hi, in this video, we'll discuss common mistakes beginners make when learning machine learning. Before we start, remember that you can find quiz questions related to each new video on our Instagram page. These questions help you test your understanding and see how attentive you were during the videos. Thanks for subscribing and staying engaged. We truly value your support. Let's get started! First, with the rise of ChatGPT and other AI tools making coding easier than ever, many beginners rush into advanced topics without building a strong foundation. They skip essential concepts like statistics, mathematics, traditional machine learning, and basic neural network architectures. While that's great that everyone can run and create their own NLP models easily today, understanding the fundamentals is important if you want to succeed as an ML engineer in the long run. If you're unsure where to start, check out our video on how to become an ML engineer for step-by-step instructions. Second, laziness is your number one enemy. You can't never, ever learn machine learning if you are lazy. Machine learning is tough, and there is so much to learn. Try to ask successful machine learning engineers or researchers, how do they manage to stay up to date? It's super complicated and sometimes even impossible. People are working very hard in this field. Never assume that you can be lazy and be better than them. Third, many beginners feel discouraged when they struggle to understand a concept. Learning ML takes time, and some topics require multiple readings before they fully make sense. When I first started, I had to read the same book 3 times before I understood most of the content. This is normal, especially when learning without a mentor. Use tools like ChatGPT for explanations. It can be very helpful. But remember, AI models can also make mistakes, so always verify the information you get. Fourth, never be afraid to ask challenging questions to actual machine learning engineers. I always try to ask controversial questions to people who already have lots of experience in the field. It helps both sides to learn and get a better understanding of the material. But before asking for help, do your research. Make sure you've tried to understand the topic yourself. Don't ask questions like, if I train a model on cat pictures, will it also recognize dogs? Fifth, you should always be transparent. Never try to artificially exaggerate the project you have done or the results you got. Also, try not to use a code by copy-pasting from another source without actually understanding it and citing it. Be honest with yourself and with the community. And finally, don't repeat everyone else. You have probably heard that you should create a GitHub account and populate it with projects you have done. Don't do Titanic Survival Classification or handwritten digits classification unless you are doing something very interesting about it. Take a more interesting dataset that few people have worked on. It would be even better if you try to collect your own data and analyze it yourself. That's it for today. Let me know in the comments what challenges you face while learning machine learning and let's discuss them. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. See you next time.